Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I would like to dedicate to some shopping, and I would like to share with you some of the things that I've picked from the Sephora sale. And if you're interested in these sort of videos, then carry on watching. So this is the box that came from Sephora. It was not this full, I only picked up a few items from Sephora. Makeup lovers that live in the United States are aware that currently there is ongoing sale happening in Sephora, and just so happened that I am a Rouge member of the club, and I would like to share with you what I did buy. If you like my kind of channel, I would like to introduce you my friend Carolin and her channel MakeupLover. She does a fantastic job of breaking down all the products that are out there, and normally she buys the entire collections. Unlike me, I am cherry picking what I'm gonna buy. So this is her channel, and I would encourage you to go over to check it out. I also will leave her details in the description down below. First in line is this fabulous brush from Tom Ford. So this is a bronzing brush. Before you ask, no, I do not need another makeup brush. I don't, but I wanted to have Tom Ford brush, so I did buy this in Sephora. Packaging is embossed it and gorgeous as always. Tom Ford knows how to tickle my fancy for sure. So this is the brush, and this is what it looks like. Oh, upside down. It's luxurious, and I know it's all synthetic. I think he had moved away from incorporating real hair. Nevertheless, it is so soft, and I am looking forward to use this brush. Also, what I like about this brush, because I have had a chance to use it before elsewhere, and I like it that it's not big. My face is round and somewhat small. I don't have a big face, and I do not need to have a big bronzing brush. I think Marc Jacobs has this bronzing brush that is beautiful. It's all round and big, and I've tried to use that one, and I end up with my bronzer all over the face, which is not something that I like. So I decided to give that one a miss, but this one had hit the spot. And this brush number 5, and it states here that it is made in Japan. I don't know if you can see it, probably not. Anyway, this is the brush from Tom Ford. And if you think that's over, no, it isn't. I bought another brush. It's a brush from Tom Ford again. It is brush number 13, eyeshadow blending brush. This is what it looks like. This is the brush. Third and last item from Sephora was this palette from Natasha Denona. I wanted to buy this palette so badly. It was just unbelievable. The packaging looks very sleek. It appears to be like leather. It's very glossy. And this is the palette. I am extremely ecstatic that I finally got my hands on this palette. I don't know why, but this excites me more than any other releases that came out lately. I am a huge fan of Tom Ford eyeshadows. The quality is fantastic, but this one is just everything, and in person it is even better than it is in pictures. I am so looking forward to use these shades. So it has 35 shades in it. Pans are not as big as the previous palettes, but who cares? You get a lot of eyeshadows that are top banana quality, and you will be able to come up with so many eye looks that is just endless opportunity. I am very excited, as you can hear, about purchasing this palette. And of course, I did not need another eyeshadow palette, but I bought it because I wanted to. So to sum up, these are the 3 items that I bought in Sephora VIBSALE. Now moving on, the next product I have is this Double Wear by Estee Lauder, which is my foundation that I have been using ever since I was probably 23. This is my holy grail, always will be with me. This is my Estee Lauder. Love this foundation. I think it's just suited for everyone, whoever tried it. It's just a matter of how well you prep your skin. So this is part of the shopping for me. Another foundation that I repurchased because I love it very much and I just ran out of it was Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. So this is another classic for me. This is my everyday foundation, whilst this one is for more when I'm filming or when I go out, so I want to look dewy and all done up. It's double wear. This is one of the foundations that I use for my everyday makeup, and I love this foundation. Next item is going to be something that is not new to the market, but is going to be completely brand new for me personally. And I'm talking about this La Mer Fluid Foundation. I don't live under the rock. I know it's just happened that I never tried this foundation before. So I'm going to try this one and I'm gonna make a video of it and see how that goes. And of course I couldn't miss something that goes along with the foundation, which is this powder. As you can see, they're all sealed. I have not tried them and we are going to try them together on my channel. Next I have this L'Occitane shower gel that I love. It smells so good and it has these little particles of gold. I hope you can see them. And I just love this shower gel. Also, I did buy these eyeshadows from Bobbi Brown. It's called Sandy Nude Eye Palette. And on the back of the box, this is what it looks like on the back of the box. It's sealed. It still has a plastic on it, so I have not opened it before. I did buy this lipstick from NARS, Audacious lipstick. These lipsticks from NARS are the best products I've ever tried from them. Just love these lipsticks, love them. And this shade is Anita. So I love using these lipsticks. They're very soft and creamy, and you can go out and have a drink and give your husband or partner a kiss and you still will have lipstick on, and I'm talking about church kiss, no making out. So yeah, this is a good one. And I have one more product from L'Occitane. This is going to be this Immortal Divine cream that has anti-aging properties, and it firms and gives you radiance, and I love this cream. I love using it for my neck and chest area. I think I featured the empty jar and my empties. I think I have, I'm not sure. So this is another repurchase for me personally. And one more foundation, wouldn't you know, I need another one. I am going to be testing on my channel this foundation from Laura Mercier. This is called Candle Glow Soft Luminous Foundation, something that I have never tried before, so it will be interesting. And last but not least, I did repurchase these Shiseido cotton pads. These are made in Japan and they are very, very nice. I love using them. I'm able to use every inch of this cotton pad, and the product that gets into cotton pad is more than sufficient enough to take my makeup off, and I only use 2 at the time. So this is your tip of the day from Couch Professor me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, write me a comment, and join me on my Instagram account. I'll see you in my next one, but for now, it's bye-bye.